Do any of you know what this is? Well, this is the electronic tube that was replaced by the modern transistor. I have many of these in several sizes. Now, as you can see, some of these are different. This one don't have anything on the top. This particular one has this connection on the top. And that's because this one was used on televisions. Now, the old picture tubes had a wire connected on the top back of the screen of the monitor, and that would connect the other end to the top of this electronic tube. Now, these tubes were replaced by the modern transistor that weighs only 0.05 grams, but these can go to about a couple hundred, and they actually vary in sizes. One of the most popular brands, Raytheon and RCA. So remember when you used to carry those televisions, or your mother probably told you, hey, you want to bring that TV over here and you needed help to carry it? Well, this is one of the reasons that actually made those electronic devices so heavy. Now, you probably never seen them. And if you're seeing this video, you probably will not see these again because these will never come back.